Your doctor will never tell you this. Billion-dollar supplement companies are hoping you never, ever find out.
They want you to believe that the secret to aging gracefully, to eliminating joint pain and clearing up brain fog, lies inside an expensive plastic bottle. But what if the ultimate morning reset was already sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now?
One single clove. It costs less than 10 cents. But when combined correctly with your everyday morning cup of coffee, it can do what no pill on a pharmacy shelf can do.
And the shocking part? You, along with 99% of Americans, have probably been drinking your morning coffee completely wrong for decades. It sounds too simple to be true, but wait until I tell you what happens inside your body in the first 15 minutes after drinking a properly brewed coffee with Clove. If you're over 60, pay very close attention. Do you experience morning brain fog that refuses to lift until noon? Do you get bloated right after your first meal? Are you suffering from blood sugar spikes that make you crave sweets? What about that quiet, nagging ache in your knees and joints when you step out of bed? Or a deep fatigue that just won't go away, even after 8 solid hours of sleep?
If you have even one of these symptoms, what I am about to tell you could permanently change your mornings starting tomorrow. To understand the magic of this combination, we first need to understand where 99% of Americans get it wrong. Most people think of coffee as just a caffeine delivery system, a liquid battery to get you through the workday. But that is a massive misunderstanding. Coffee is one of the richest sources of polyphenols in the standard American diet. Specifically, it is packed with chlorogenic acid. This is a powerful, naturally occurring antioxidant that performs miracles inside the human body. It protects your liver from damage, stabilizes your blood sugar, and acts as a massive shield against systemic inflammation. But here is the tragedy. Most Americans are actively killing their coffee every single morning without even realizing it. We take this ancient, powerful elixir and we destroy its medicinal properties. Let's talk about sugar. The moment you add processed white sugar to your coffee, you instantly spike your insulin levels. This single action cancels out almost half of the antioxidant benefits your body was about to receive. What about milk and heavy cream? It tastes great, sure, but dairy contains a protein called casein. Scientific studies show that casein literally binds to the polyphenols in coffee, blocking your intestines from absorbing them. And that fancy latte with vanilla syrup and whipped cream? You took one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet and drowned it in liquid sugar. You're not drinking coffee anymore. You are drinking a dessert that simply smells like coffee. Now, hold on. Let's shift our focus to the missing ingredient, the clove. For thousands of years, ancient Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine relied on cloves for severe ailments. But modern science has finally caught up and identified exactly why it works. Clove contains a highly active compound called eugenol. In fact, clove is the single richest source of eugenol on the entire planet. No other herb, plant, or spice even comes close to its concentration. Eugenol is a fierce, natural anti-inflammatory agent. In various clinical studies, eugenol has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers in the body with a strength that rivals and sometimes exceeds over-the-counter painkillers like ibuprofen. Here is where the magic happens. When you combine the chlorogenic acid from black coffee with the eugenol from a clove, they don't just add up. They don't just sit next to each other in your stomach. They actively multiply each other's effects. In the world of biochemistry, 1 + 1 here does not equal 2. It equals 10. Scientists refer to this exact phenomenon as food synergy. It's when two compounds unlock doors in your cells that neither could unlock on their own. And you were about to walk past this miracle for the rest of your life. all for the cost of a single clove. So, what actually happens inside your body when you drink a properly brewed clove coffee? Let's break down the timeline, starting from the very first sip. In the first 15 minutes, you will feel something strange. You will experience a surge of energy, but without the jitters. You know that anxious, fluttering tightness in your chest that regular strong coffee gives you? That completely vanishes.
Why? Because Eugenol acts as a mild antispasmodic. It gently relaxes the smooth muscle tissue in your body, including the walls of your blood vessels. The caffeine from the coffee gives your brain the energy it craves, while the clove simultaneously removes the physical anxiety. The result? Pure mental clarity, without the chaos. Within 24 hours, the very first thing most people notice is a massive shift in their digestion. Clove has heavily documented carminative properties. In medical terms, this means it prevents the formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract and helps expel it. Meanwhile, the coffee stimulates bowel motility. Working together, they effectively sweep and clean out your digestive system within the first day. Many people report waking up with a flat stomach and a feeling of lightness they haven't experienced in decades. Let's look at what happens within 3 days. Your blood sugar starts to stabilize. Remember the chlorogenic acid? It acts as a gatekeeper in your gut, physically slowing down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. Simultaneously, the eugenol improves your cell's sensitivity to insulin. Those wild midday sugar crashes where you feel starving and exhausted just an hour after eating will start to level out. But here is where it gets really interesting. Before we move forward to the physical transformations, I have a quick favor to ask. Over 99% of our viewers still haven't subscribed to the channel. If you're finding this medical breakdown helpful, please take 1 second to click the subscribe button and like this video. We're aiming to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and your support genuinely allows us to keep exposing the truth. Thank you. Let's continue. Within 1 week, systemic inflammation begins to drop. This happens quietly inside your body, but you will notice it. If your knees usually ache when you step out of bed, you'll suddenly realize they ache less. If your fingers swell chronically, making it hard to wear your rings, that swelling will visibly decrease. This isn't magic. It is measurable in a lab through C-reactive protein blood tests. Within 1 month, your liver undergoes a detoxifying reset. Scientific research consistently shows that regular black coffee consumption lowers the rates of fatty liver disease. The eugenol from the clove amplifies this by neutralizing oxidative stress directly in the liver cells. Because your liver is processing toxins more efficiently, fewer impurities try to escape through your skin. People often report that their complexion clears up and they look noticeably younger after just 30 days of this morning ritual. Now, let's talk about the exact protocol. You must pay attention here because 90% of people who try this make mistakes and get absolutely zero benefits. The absolute best way to do this is called the decoction method. Step 1. Take exactly 3 whole cloves, not ground clove powder, not clove oil. You need whole, dried cloves straight from the spice aisle. Step 2. Put those 3 cloves into a small pot with about 10 ounces of water, roughly a cup and a half. Bring the water to a gentle boil, then immediately lower the heat. Let it simmer slowly for exactly 5 minutes, no longer. If you overboil it, the heat will destroy the delicate eugenol compounds. Step 3. Strain the water into a cup, removing the solid cloves. Step 4. Use this clove-infused water to brew your black coffee. You can use a French press, a standard drip machine, or pour over. The method doesn't matter as long as you use this specific water. Step 5. Drink it slowly on an empty stomach. This should be the very first thing that enters your body in the morning. 1 cup, once a day.
That is all you need. Now, if you are busy and don't have 5 minutes to boil water on the stove, here is the quick method. Take one whole clove, smash it gently with the flat side of a knife or crush it in a mortar. You must break the outer shell. Drop that crushed clove directly into your hot, already brewed black coffee. Let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes before drinking. It's only about 70% as effective as the boiling method, but it is vastly better than doing nothing. To ensure you don't waste your time, let's review the 3 fatal mistakes that will ruin this drink. Mistake number 1, dropping a whole, uncrushed clove into a regular cup of coffee. Clove is an extremely dense, woody spice. Without heat extraction or physical crushing, the oils will never release. You will get a nice smell, but zero medical benefits. Mistake number 2, boiling the cloves for 10 or 15 minutes. Eugenol is highly heat sensitive. Prolonged boiling completely vaporizes the healing oils. In this case, more is definitely not better. Keep it under 5 minutes. Mistake number 3, adding dairy milk and white sugar. As we discussed, this kills the polyphenol bioavailability. If you absolutely cannot tolerate the taste of black coffee, do this instead. Add a tiny pinch of pure cinnamon or a small half teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. These healthy fats actually help absorb the nutrients without spiking your insulin. A very important medical disclaimer. Who is this not for? If you are currently taking prescription blood thinners like warfarin or high-dose aspirin, you must talk to your doctor before trying this. Eugenol has a natural, mild anticoagulant effect, meaning it gently thins the blood. Also, if you have active stomach ulcers or severe acid reflux, coffee itself might aggravate your stomach. Clove will not fix an existing ulcer. For everyone else, this is one of the safest, most profoundly powerful daily habits you can build using exactly what is already sitting in your kitchen. Think about it. Right now, 1 clove, 10 cents, 5 minutes of your morning. The exact same cup of coffee you've been drinking out of habit for decades suddenly transforms into the ultimate act of self-care. Clarity without the anxiety. A cleaner digestive system in 24 hours. Measurably less joint pain in a week. A detoxified liver in a month. But remember, none of this information matters unless you actually take action. You are not broken. Your morning coffee routine is broken. Fix the coffee, and you fix the morning. Start tomorrow. 3 cloves, 5 minutes, 1 cup. That is where your new life begins. If you have a neighbor, a friend, or a family member over the age of 60 who drinks coffee every morning, do them a massive favor. Share this video with them right now. It might be the simplest, most life-changing thing you do for them today. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.